Today we'll be going through a review of the Udemy Complete Guide to Becoming a Software Architect course. So I'll put a link in the description below if you also want to check it out. An added plus here is that if you end up purchasing this course, you can also go through Rakuten for 5% cash back whenever you purchase a course on Udemy. So I'll also put my link in the description for that deal. I wanted to put this video together so that you have an overall idea of the pros and cons of this course and if this course could be right for you. So starting out, this course is taught by Memi Lavi, and he has been a software architect for over 20 years. And he starts the course off by telling us who this course is actually for, which is for people who have some experience in their careers and specifically with some developer experience. I actually think you can still go through this course without developer experience, but there are some concepts that he goes through that can be a little bit more difficult to grasp. This is one of the highest rated courses out there for software architects on Udemy, and it has over 11,000 reviews. A lot of them seem to be really positive because overall his rating is 4.6 stars, which is really, really high. Overall, this course is relatively short. It's only about 6 hours of video. He has some articles that's linked in there, and then I think the best value for this course is actually his architecture document. So some of the pros and cons of this course: firstly, he really provides a lot of in-depth information about being a software architect and really focusing on the career path. Because he's actually gone through this career path, he really talks about the mindset you should have and why you should ultimately become a software architect. I also really liked how he showed a lot of the trends and where to look for the trends in determining a tech stack. So he puts a lot of considerations in how you should evaluate which tech stack to choose. He also provides a really good summary of each section, and he tells you what to expect in future sessions if it's related. Here, each part is a different section, and at the end of this section, he'll have a summary and a test to make sure that you understand everything in each section. He concludes with what the architecture document should be, which is one of the most important outputs of being a software architect. At the end, you actually get an architecture document, which I think is probably one of the highlights of the course. The major con here was that it did take a while to get into the technical aspects of the course because he focuses a lot on the building blocks of being a software architect at the beginning of the course. So that is my overall review. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and thanks for watching.